how to change the default gallery app, basically the app that will open up your photos, videos, as well as have them saved into it every time you have a new photo or a video. And this is for the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro phone with HyperOS, the Chinese model global ROM. Once you have different gallery apps on your device itself, you'll want to go ahead into the quick panel access, tap on the settings here with HyperOS. You'll see it there, this one there. And from here now, you will want to go down the list until you see apps, okay? Go to apps here. And once in this section here, you'll notice these three dots to the top right there. You'll tap on that one time. You'll see other settings. And when you tap on that, you'll see the different app settings on your Redmi Note 13 phone. You'll see default here. And from here now, you'll look for the gallery one, okay? And out of the box, if you only had just one gallery app, it will say not selected. And let's just say you went ahead and installed the photos for Google Photos or any other gallery app, you could go ahead and select the one that you want, okay? And you can come back and change these at any given time, like and so.